Lang, during your parang bench fashion show, and then ano yung first interaction mo with Catherine Bernardo nung nakita mo siya?
Oh yeah, we met in the backstage. My sister actually introduced me to her, and she was super nice. It was really brief lang, but it was great experience to be in line with her and all. For the brief time that I spoke to her, it was nice. Well, yeah, si Catherine was very great actress, artista. You know, she's given her position now, she's really a big star, and it's great to see, diba? Someone that can do all of this. But yeah,
do you want to work with her someday?
Regardless, like whoever it is, anyone talaga, work with anyone, because bago pa lang ako, and it's a learning experience talaga throughout the way. So I'm just happy.
Thank you.
This is for Shirley and Aga first. Obviously, si Natasha at si Andres ay improvement of the Mula Gonzalez family and clan. So curious lang ako, bakit hindi ito sunundan?
When we got married, even before we got married, we were talking about family, our kids, you know, and then parang out of the blue, I just asked her, like, how many kids would you want to have? You know, it's typical na a boy, a girl, parang ako rin ganun, sabi ko, gusto ko rin ng babae, at isang lalaki. Parang ganun lang, off-hand na pag-usapan lang namin. And then, dumating na nga, boy and girl, di ba? Nung sinabi ko sa akin, we were having twins, medyo nagulat pa ako. Kasi pag sa'yo nangyari pala yun, parang weird siya. Parang siyang hindi, parang kasi alam pag nabubuntis, lalo at that age na sa akin, parang isa lang yan eh, isa lang. Hindi mo naisip yung kambal, di ba? Parang freak sa akin, parang may kambal, parang, kaya nung sinabi ko, parang pagkakaroon tayo ng kambal, gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, identical ba yan? Gano'n. And then medyo for like a couple of seconds, medyo na-tense ako, parang may anak tayong dalawang magkamukha. Parang gano'n. And then my wife told me, no, it's dalawang sada, so paternal twins siya. So, okay. So, and then on her third month or fourth month, she had to check the way, we had to check. Nakita niya yung may burger sa turtle. They say that, ano?
I think the parents will only know what that means. It's very technical.
Okay, sorry. Kaya wala naman ako. Hindi naman kapasusan yun. It's just, ilang terms nila sa gano'n sa, it's like when we see the turtle, sa gender, the turtle and the burger. So, gano'n. So, yun lang naman.
And if I may add, I think Aga and I really wanted one boy and one girl, and we were blessed with Natasha and Andres, and we just wanted to be able to have a small family para we can spend time. Gusto namin nandun kami ni Aga sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat stage sa buhay nila. So we really wanted a small family so we could be really hands-on sa kanila.
Sino mas disciplinarian sa inyong dalawa? Sino yung mas spoiler? Sino yung mas disciplinarian?
I think si Aga pag nagsalita sa bahay, parang yun na yun eh. Parang nasa sumusunod. I think this is a better question for Natasha and Andres.
Yung totoo ha?
Natasha and Andres.
Sino mas disciplinarian? Sino mas spoiler? Your dad or your mom?
Same. I think they're both the same. Parehas pa rin in their own aspect. Parang kung sa bahay, same talaga.
Natasha ang safe ha?
Siguro, same na lang. Wala lang.
No, you know, you'd be surprised. Akala mo, ito ang disciplinary talaga.
Sure.
Yeah, mas stricto yan. Ako, masyado pa ako sa kanila. Kaya lang, pagdating sa pagdedesisyon, I'm very firm naman ako sa kanila. Pag sinabi ko no, or get out, or, you know, go, or like that, kailangan you follow. Pero in terms of, kumbaga, panipapaalam sila, ako, like, go. Si Shirley pa yung, why? Where are you going? Di ba? Natatakot ako sa tayo dalawa eh. Tapos pagdadala naman kami. Kasi kung anong desisyon ko, kailangan may approval din Shirley pagdating sa mga bata.
Who convinced you? Ano sinabi ni Andres at Natasha regarding sa pagka-artista, na-convince ka na, sige, let's give them this chance?
I think when we talked about it now, once they reach a certain age, the decision would have to come from them. And then one day, sinabi nila sa amin na they were interested in joining the entertainment
Does that
business.
surprise you?
Oo, yes. Actually, nagulat kami. But I think growing up, it was an environment na parang komportable sila because it was something that they were doing sa mga commercials and something that they saw Aga and I doing. So para sa kanila, I think it was, they were not intimidated by the world that they were entering, but I think they were curious at parang gusto nila. And growing up, they've always had yung parang meron artistic side talaga. So, yeah, so the time is, when the time came, the right time came, sila na nag-decide na gusto nila.
I think it's very important also that it comes from them. Because like what I would always say, it's a tough job, mahirap na hanap buhay ito, and at least pag sila ng desisyon at nahirapan sila, parang hindi ako nagsabi sa inyo, di ba? Kayo ang nagpili niyo. Kung ano man tahakin nila.
And we always express to them that parang respect and honor your work. It's hard work. It doesn't come easy. So parang you always have to continue to hone your craft and talent all the time.
Ayan, parang sinasabi ng mami sa kanila yan.
Okay. For Atasha and Andres, meron ba kayong favorite movies ng mama at papa niyo? Na gusto niyo panoorin or someday you would like to, I hope I can do that as a role?
Kasi sabi mo yung pangarap mo, ano gusto mo?
Yung favorite movie ko ng nanay ko is Jezebel. Jezebel, for sure. And in regards to my dad, would have to be, mahirap yan kasi it's either kailangan kita or bagets.
Okay. Andres,
Para sa akin, my favorite movie ng tatay ko ay, ano to, kailangan kita rin, pero Dubai.
Oh.
Pwede talaga. And
For your mom.
for my mom naman, the original mermaid, Jezebel. Kasi dati, nung bata kami, she used to always tell us na, I'm really a mermaid, guys. So kami naman, we believed it.
Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila na fake pala yun. So pinapanood ko sa kanila yung pelikulang Jezebel para maniwala sila na Jezebel talaga ako. Pero di pala.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Alwin. Our next question is from Ms. Lea Solterio of People's Choice.
And abangan nyo rin yung UK sa kaibigan kasi really gusto ko siya show today. So nalabas na yung virtual niya. So abangan nyo rin po yun. Thank you.
Salamat. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Okay, palamakan pa natin sila. The First Family, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat sa The First Family cast at maraming salamat din sa ating pagiging sa media. Thank you so much sa todo suporta sa bawat new show na handog ng TV5.
That's right, Justin, and please do help us spread the word on the premiere of the newest kapatid sitcom, The First Family, this July 21, 7:15 p.m. po yan on TV5, and a catch-up starting July 20.